Blythe Academy is the first high school in the world to announce that it will supply each student with a Sony e-reader instead of printed textbooks.
Here at Blythe, our Pearson textbooks have been reformatted especially for the Sony e-reader, which is creating a dynamic learning experience for all of our students.
When I'm reading through my book and I see a passage I need, I can highlight it, make notes, and come exam time, everything is in one spot.
Well, what's absolutely amazing is the fact that I can load material onto the Sony e-reader for each student and cater to his or her needs depending on their learning styles.
My Sony e-reader helps me stay really organized because it has all my textbooks, my course outline, timetable, plus all my favorite authors, so it's really handy and really cool.
Students have access to 500,000 free ebooks from Google through the Sony eBook Store, and they can download even more for free from the Toronto Public Library without having to physically go there. It's incredible.
I love that I don't have to lug around all my really heavy textbooks anymore.
And because I go to Blythe, it's included.